Hi guys, and welcome to Skills for Life. On this episode we're going to talk about how to use a fire extinguisher. So if you want to know, let's go. Okay guys, here I have a residential fire extinguisher, okay, by First Alert. This is perfect for inside the home, okay. This is class A through C. Class A would be for your wood, your trash, your paper. You've got class B, which would be for your oils and your liquids. And it also takes care of class C, which should be for electrical fires too, okay? You can find these at all big box stores, your Ace Hardwares, Lowe's, Menards, all your big box stores. Buy one today, okay? These are lifesavers. It's a rechargeable one, this. As you can see, the green gauge there means it's fully charged. This one doesn't come with a wavy nozzle on the end of it, but that's okay, it'll still do the job. So there's the fire extinguisher. There's the pin. So you're gonna pull out the pin. So you're going to pull out the pin, you're going to aim it, you're going to squeeze, and you're going to sweep at the base of the fire. The pin's already come out. It's got a little campfire going on. It's very cold out right now. It's only 28 degrees, okay? So I'm walking up, I have a fire. Let's just pretend it's in the kitchen. Walking up, pulled it, aiming, sweep, sweep, sweep. At the base of the fire, I'm sweeping. It's taken care of. Pretty much emptied that thing. What did that last? Maybe 10 seconds or something? Buy one of these today. Very valuable. You need one in your home. See you next time.